Hello and welcome to our next lecture from this course on affiliate marketing and email marketing. As we have previously discussed how to combine these two concepts, now it's time to discuss how to build a list of customers or leads. We have already discussed about the importance of having a list, and basically in the future, even if you don't want to perform as an affiliate marketer, it's useful for you to know how to build an email marketing list of either customers or leads, because that will actually help you to build any sort of business, online and offline, because in the offline world or in a brick and mortar business, basically you will work after the same principle. You need a list of people to talk to whom you can sell your products or services, okay? And basically email marketing is just a form of communication with your clients, okay? And that's all. Now let's see which are these types of or these methods that we have to build our lists. Okay, first of all, you can have an email list of your customers, people who actually bought your product, service, or offer. And in our opinion, and not just in our opinion, this is the best type of list that you can have to. Why? Because once somebody bought something from you, it's easier for you to sell to them something else. Why? Because they already have trust in you, okay? This is the most important and hardest thing to do with a new person, with a potential client, to build trust so that he will buy from you. And if he is already your client, it's much more likely for him to buy again from you than a stranger, okay, or somebody who is just interested in your niche. So this is the best type of email list that you can have. Then we have the second way of building a list of leads. Okay, you can drive traffic, paid or free traffic, to a free offer, which we usually call a lead magnet, that people get access to only if they subscribe to an email list. Okay, so basically we set up a simple website, a simple one-page website. We call it an opt-in page, and we give people like a giveaway report, an ebook, maybe an article or something like that, a simple video course. And for them, in order to get access to that video course, they will have to subscribe to our email list. And then we have the third method, and basically to that opt-in page we drive traffic on our own using different methods. And then the third method is basically similar to the second one, but we don't drive the traffic ourselves. We can lend or use somebody else's email list, so people who already have email lists, to build our own, okay? We can buy that traffic from them, or actually make a barter with them. Now let's see more exactly how we can do how we can build this type of leads of either customers or actual leads. So how to build a list of customers? First of all, the first option is to launch a product, like a digital product, okay? We can choose an affiliate network like ClickBank, or we can host an online course on our own. These are just examples. We can sell different types of digital products, audios, graphics, online courses, ebooks, whatever you can think of, okay? And if you have a community of people, or you know, influencers or bloggers or anything like that, you launch a digital product, okay? And let's say that you get 1,000 clients in 2 months for your digital product. You will have a list of customers of 1,000, okay? And let's say you launch a product in the dog training niche. You will have 1,000 customers that already bought from you a dog training niche related product. Now in the future you can do the two following things with this list of customers: either create other products of your own and sell them to these customers, or promote to them as an affiliate products related to the dog training niche, which is far more easier, right? And considering the fact that commissions for digital products as an affiliate go to up to 50%, it can be a much better deal to promote as an affiliate than to create new products and launch them to your own customers, okay? Now the second way to build a list of customers, if you have a brick and mortar business, as an example, is to import your list of customers. Let's say that you are selling fishing related products. You have a physical store. You have 500 people who walked into your store in the last year. You have their contact data. You just import them or put that contact data into an email marketing service, and those are your clients. Now what you can do with them is send them some emails every month related to your own products and offers from your physical store or your own online store, or you can promote them products as an affiliate, physical and digital products alike. Okay, we are going to focus on digital products in this course because there are more advantages to them. Higher commissions up to 50% or even more in some cases. You don't have a hard time promoting them. They are more niched, but it can be much more profitable for you. Okay, now let's see how we can build a list of leads. First of all, we have to set up a lead magnet, a free report, ebook, product sample if we are into physical products. And then we have to drive either free traffic, social media, bonuses. Basically, we talk to other people who are having similar products to what our people are interested in, and give away bonuses to them to attract traffic. So we can drive free traffic from social media. We promote our lead magnet, our page free report on social media. Video marketing, we promote it on YouTube. We do SEO on our website. Okay, so people will come from Google. So these are some examples of free traffic. Or we are going to use paid traffic, solo ads, Facebook ads, Google ads, YouTube ads. Any type of paid traffic method that you could think of can be a source of traffic for building your list of leads. Okay, now thank you very much for watching this lecture, and we are looking forward to see you in our next